South Korea AI chip makers Rebellion and Sapeon have agreed to merge. So yes, just like other companies are merging to give you better services, South Korea's Rebellion Inc. and Sapeon Inc. have agreed to merge together so that they provide you better services. But according to them, the reason why they are merging is because they want to challenge global AI chip leaders such as NVIDIA. Yeah, so they want to challenge leaders such as NVIDIA. They are saying that if they merge, they will be able to overcome this particular AI chip leaders in the world. Yeah, so they are saying that when they merge, they will be able to take over, become better than NVIDIA. Do stick with me on this tech channel because I'm bringing you more tech news. Do remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.